Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida, home of the Access Point heat exchangers. And Blue Baron Truck Mounts, as you can see, we've been very busy in 2025. We have 2 more orders that just came in. We have another compact 45 that is in the process of being finished in black. That will actually go on a freshwater tank. So we have freshwater tanks that can go under our compact series that have been specially designed. The brackets have been changed around, and that will be coming out soon. That will be we'll be powder coating that tank, and we'll be putting it this compact 45 right on top of the freshwater tank. It'll look beautiful. 105 gallon. So this fully finished compact 45 is capable of 410 CFM. We're using a 4MR Sudabuilt blower, and it's all belt driven. We have a CH752 27 horse Kohler with an all stainless header. Look how beautiful that is. Going down to a patented high pressure 3,500 pounds pressure rated heat exchanger that's been out for quite some time. We're a 19-year builder, so we build for the industry. We help people out in their own existing truck mounts. We've helped in the Pro-Chem industry for the 405s, the Legends, the Trailblazers. This heat exchanger is really nice, and it gets up commercial heat that you want. Stable, constant heat, and because of the way that it's built, it is in a coil system that was part of our patent. You can look us up on Google Patent, and we are using four coil system, which is 80 feet, and it just comes out beautiful with the heat, quick absorption, quick recovery. It's just a beautiful concept that we have going, because most important, you can get high pressure. And a lot of those manufacturers have the tube and fin, so the copper tube and fin cannot take high pressure. Why limit yourself? Go out there and do some pressure washing, do some carpet cleaning and pressure washing and all kinds of floor care, because when you got the pressure, you got everything. And that's really what these systems can give you. With a quarter plate, all laser cut, open concept, easy breathe, easy fix. Can move your hands around. You don't have to pull off louvered covers and scrape your knuckles, just getting frustrated with some of these overly louvered, covered. They're all choked up where the heat just builds up in the system and just causes early life to all the components. This is all belt driven, so we stayed away from direct drive. The belt driven system, we've got people with 5 and 6 years on the same belts. So it's just very, very well built, organized. We've got an aviator throttle right here that allows you adjustments, micro adjustments in between, rather than having that coarse on or off type of T throttle. This is just, look at the beautiful wings here. Look at that. Just everything is just beautifully laid out and very well built. Stainless outlet for your heat exchanger, thermostatic control, instructional startup and shut down. We have a red indicator lamp that will go on when you're doing a thermal dump. That means your solenoid has 12 volts due to the positioning of this thermostat. So you have constant control of the temperature. We have a adjuster here that we just crack open just a little bit, leave it alone. Once it's cracked open, you're good to go. That means that you'll have constant flow through the system, getting accurate temperatures across that probe capillary so that you don't have elongated dump cycle. You get your working pressure right back up and ready to go. So this system is just, you could literally just run this all day, not even touch it, and it will regulate on its own. That's how well I've built these and engineered and built these units. And then, of course, these units here are all the Economy 36s, the raised panel. Out there too, we got the raised panel version of the Economy 36. And look at the beautiful acoustic silencer at the bottom. That just is so well balanced. It gives you the right amount of CFM, but at the same time, it does a lot of decibel dampening and noise sensitive areas. So this system here is trouble free. Just maintain it, take care of it. Look at it. We got all high pressured hoses, High pressure hoses at the bottom. A lot of money goes into these fittings. And we have last step injection, belt guard, hand adjuster unloader for your pressure, for your working pressure. This last step injection right here, you got your pulse pumps to keep the chemical out of the major areas of your coil system and the fittings and hoses so that you get longevity. So you don't want any built up alkalis. You want to be able to keep that on the outside where it exits out through this high out, which goes through that's where you connect your hose to your wand or to your tool. This can do, you can use the rotovac on this. You can use a spinner tool. You can use all kinds of different peripheral cleaning units to help you out in the process, because we got good heat, number one, and we have good suction or good vacuum. There's absolutely no differential here because it comes in at 2.5 and leaves at 2.5. It's perfect. A lot of these manufacturers, what they do is they choke down the diameter from where the tank is, and that really cuts back your CFM. When you cut back CFM, you cut back vacuum, okay? So you could get 450 lineage of feet of this unit and be able to still get decent vacuum. So everything is here with the tachometer, your aviator. They use this on aircraft, so how good can you get quality-wise? Look at this, beautiful wings. We got the tachometer, instructional decal that tells you how to start it and shut down the unit. Accessory switch for your 12 volts. Electric startup. The CH752 27 horse Kohler is a really robust unit. And like I said, we've taken great pride in using high pressured hoses, ball seat 1/4 coming out straight out, and blue Neptune going straight into your recovery tank. So everything is just really, really sturdy. You can really get a lot of work out of this. This is a robust unit. We've been really, really busy, and we enjoy what we do. 19-year builder. Look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. My name is Pete. I'm the originator and builder of Blue Baron and Access Point heat exchangers. 19-year builder. Go to truckmountstore.com 24/7 or call us at 727-505-2989. Thank you.